Welcome to this quick tutorial for co-authors on the Erudita platform. You've been invited to collaborate on a systematic review project via Erudita.tech. The invitation will arrive by email from the platform. Make sure to check your inbox and your spam folder, just in case. The subject line will be "No reply, Erudita Tech Platform, you've been added as a collaborator." Inside the email, you'll find details about the project, including its title and description, and a button to set up free account. Click it to get started. You'll be asked to create a password, enter it twice, and you're in. Then, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. Name and surname. Industry and position. Your organization. Country. And your preferred appearance, light or dark mode. Adding your PubMed API key is optional at this stage. Once your profile is set, you'll land directly inside the shared project. From there, you can view everything the first author has built, from the search query to the article pool, idea generation, and protocol drafts. Your role. Collaborate. Use the chat box on the right-hand side of each section to give feedback, ask questions, or suggest edits. Your comments help shape the protocol and ensure it reflects shared decisions. The more you interact, the better the result. So let's get started. Your insights matter. Welcome to Erudita.